Have you ever wondered if there's a credit card out there that's not just a piece of plastic, but a financial tool that actually works for you? Today, we're diving into the Koho credit card. Is it worth the hype? Let's find out. Imagine a credit card that rewards you for your everyday spending, helps you build credit, and even offers personalized financial advice. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, that's what Koho promises. Koho is a Canadian fintech company that has gained popularity for its innovative approach to credit cards. They offer a range of features that cater to different financial needs, from students to seasoned professionals. But is Koho really as good as it seems? In this video, we'll break down the key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Koho credit card to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. 1. Key features. Cashback rewards. Koho offers cashback rewards on all purchases, with higher rates for certain categories like groceries and gas. This can help you save money on your everyday expenses. Credit building. If you're looking to improve your credit score, Koho can be a valuable tool. They report your credit activity to the major credit bureaus, which can help you build a positive credit history. Personalized financial advice. Koho's app provides personalized financial advice based on your spending habits. This can help you identify areas where you can save money and make smarter financial decisions. Fee-free transactions. Koho doesn't charge any annual fees or foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for travelers. 2. Benefits. Flexibility. Koho offers a variety of card options to suit different needs, including prepaid and credit cards. Convenience. The Koho app makes it easy to manage your finances, track your spending, and set savings goals. Customer support. Koho has a reputation for providing excellent customer support, which can be important if you have any issues or questions. 3. Potential drawbacks. Limited availability. Koho is primarily available in Canada, so it may not be an option for everyone. Credit requirements. To qualify for a Koho credit card, you may need to have a good or excellent credit score. 4. Comparison to other credit cards. Compared to traditional banks, Koho offers many of the same benefits as traditional banks, but with a more modern and user-friendly experience. Compared to other fintech companies, Koho competes with other fintech companies like Wealthsimple and Tangerine. While each company has its own unique features, Koho's focus on credit building and personalized financial advice sets it apart. 5. Is Koho right for you? Consider your financial goals. If you're looking to build credit, save money on your everyday expenses, and receive personalized financial advice, Koho could be a great option. Weigh the pros and cons. Before making a decision, carefully consider the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the Koho credit card. Koho offers a range of features that can make it a valuable financial tool. From cashback rewards and credit building to personalized financial advice, Koho has something to offer everyone. However, it's important to consider your individual needs and financial goals before deciding if Koho is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.